Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with Kes Wigs. This is my first time with getting a wig from Kes Wigs. This is the packaging. It's quite nice. So when I open the box, I'm seeing the wig. It's really nice. So before we get into that, let me go ahead and show you what else I got. So okay, wow, this is different. Oh, wait a minute. Oh my gosh, I got a crimper. They sent a crimp. Now, which hair company you now sending a whole crimper in the packaging? This is wild, guys. And it's branded Kes. So it's their own crimper. Like, what? Yeah, that's next level. Yeah, I have to give it to them. That is a win. Like, they could have just put this alone in the package and it would just be really like over the top. Like, that's amazing. I'm so happy they sent this. I also got a wig cap, and I got this pouch that says Kes Wigs on it. I got a clip that says Kes Wigs. It's bedazzled. And I got an edge brush and comb, a little thing here with some hairpins, extra elastic band, and lastly a tweezer. I also got a headband branded Kes Wigs, and finally a drawstring bag that's great for storage that's branded Kes Wigs. This is such a beautiful orange color. And that's everything in our package. Okay, so this is a wig we're working with today, guys. It's so gorgeous. A gorgeous curly wig. It's very tight curls. Like, you see that? Really nice tight curls. It's a really beautiful luster as well. So, this is a full-on 13x6 lace front wig. Okay, it's 18 inches long. That's the wig. And it's 180% in density. I'm not gonna lie, it feels more like 200. It's very nice and thick, and I love that. So I have one of my like other wigs here, right, which has a 13x6, but instead of the 13x6 portion going right across from ear to ear, it only like has in the middle portion, but on the sides it's not as deep. Sometimes that can be a bummer because this is how most of them are, but it's still workable. I always make it work regardless. But this is so good to have. Like, that's just amazing. I absolutely love the fact that they did that with the spacing there. And as I said, the Swiss lace, the fact that it's Swiss lace, for me, Swiss lace is the best in my book. It's the absolute best, and you don't need to go in and pluck it any further because it's already pre-plucked. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and get started with installation of this wig. Okay, let's go. Oh, by the way, I do have a discount code, so you guys can also check out my my description box. One thing I forgot to touch on with you as well, guys, is apart from it being like one of the best 13x6 wigs I've ever worked with, you see the luster on it. Even though it's this curly hair, like, it's glossy. Okay, it has this really nice sheen to it. Doesn't look fake or anything. It just looks like a healthy type of glossy, shiny look. Like, it's so nicely defined. I feel like they did really well on the construction, and it came with this like center part, but I'm actually going to do a nice side part. But I can't wait to get into it. But yes, I'm pretty much just lining it up with my natural hairline, and I'm gonna cut away the excess around the ear portion, the excess lace. So that looks really good before I even move on to using my adhesive. I'm actually going to be using my ORS olive oil super hose spray for today's install once more. And my blow dryer on cool air. got done with that, I finished the edges, which you'll see in a little bit. My regular soups, it's nothing special. This hair is so full, I can't get over how full it is, and the curls are really tight. So I am getting shedding, just to let you know, like I am getting shedding, like when I run my fingers through the hair. Before I even go to that, like you could do a number of different hairstyles with this as well. You don't have to feel like confined, because since the parting space is so deep, like you can feel free to go ahead and try different styles on this. So I personally will, okay, so first, before I move any further, I'm going to get my flyweight hammer and my hot comb and kind of lay the edges towards the back. Actually do a style like with the center part before I actually move into my deep side part, just so that I can give you guys a little variety. So I'm just gonna do like 2 twists on each side, and then I'm gonna kind of bring it to the back, so it's giving like a half up, half down vibe. And so that's the vibe I did for that. And then I'll just kind of make the back be fluffy with the hair. This looks so good. This looks so good, guys. This is how the lace is looking. So what I'm gonna do for here, I'm gonna take my concealer to make it more precise. Yes. And you see the hair, it's nice and tight with the curls. Yes, this is a goal. Let me know what you guys think about hairstyle number 1. I think I'm just gonna be doing 2 styles in this. But the thing with this is that this is still in its dry state. You know, I'm kind of just running my fingers through it still to get it bigger. So this is in its dry state, and then I'm actually going to give it the deep side part, and you'll see it in its dry state first, and then I'll wet it up. So guys, firstly, I'm just giving you the dry look, okay? I'm making you see like how big this hair can get. I can get even bigger than this. It's really cute. Now that you've seen it dry, I'm gonna go ahead and get it wet, and yeah. It's one of those curly textures that still doesn't like lose the volume even after you wet it up. It's absolutely stunning, guys. Let me know what you think about it down below in the comment section. It's so full. Yeah man, Keswigs, don't go with himself on our ear. It's so nice. It's really nice. So that's a 10. I would definitely recommend this if you're looking for a lot more space to work with your 13x6 lace front wig. If you're looking for a bomb Swiss lace front with space in the front and a nice full curly texture, it is so gorgeous, and the sheen of the hair is impeccable. It's gorgeous, you know, it's really pretty. So shout out to them for that. Their quality has been good so far. You know, as I said before, I did get shedding. I get shedding from this because it's such a curly hair, so it's kind of expected. It's not extremely bad. I just wish it was a little bit less, you know. But yeah, so shedding is definitely there. The hair is full from the root to the tip. It's really nice. So they did amazing on the construction and the quality of this wig. Okay, go ahead, check out my description box if you're interested in a beautiful bomb Swiss lace front 13x6 curly wig. This is your wig, and the direct link where you can purchase it will also be listed, so go ahead, check that out. Shout out to Keswigs once more for today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.